You're really high, Jerica.
What?
You're really high. You're gonna hit the bar.
Superman's going out of control.
Oh my God! Your feet almost hit. Oh shit.
Look at his face, it's so red.
I'll get it. Ew, I just put my hand in my spit.
Look at your face. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Beast monster.
Jerica, we should sit regularly now. I can still not really walk.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
The Cherry Monster.
Randy, you're gonna have to push off.
Maybe I should.
And then you guys are gonna hold it while I
Okay.
just make sure you guys don't let go of the. Get back on.
Let me see it. Like, set it down somewhere. Like,
Don't wait. I want to hold.
yeah,
Okay,
hold
well,
it.
you guys. So get back on.
I hold on for my life and I'll fly off, so Monica's gonna have to hold it.
Oh God.
You guys
Let me. Okay, I'm gonna set it like this, so in case it does fly, it won't go very far. I'm so scared.
I got.
I'm really scared, dude. I better put my feet in
Or
because.
you can put one leg over here and one leg over here. I just like kicked Rihanna.
Yeah, like in my stroller.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So scared. I'm gonna fly off again. Oh God. That's great. Try again.
No wait, I'm sitting up. Okay, stop it. I'm gonna shit. No, seriously, stop it. I'm gonna get sick.
Come on, ow! Don't get sick on me.
You see her face go red.
Don't get sick, Monica. You're crying. Oh, I'm so dizzy. That was a special moment.
Goodbye.